On Friday, March 21st, Virginia Maines received the news. The Trump administration was officially terminating legal services under the Unaccompanied Children Program, basically defunding legal representation for 26,000 children nationwide, including 126 right here in Utah.
And it was stop work immediately on these cases, but we have an obligation, and we as attorneys have an ethical obligation, and we have a moral obligation to ensure that they have a fair process.
Maines and 6 other attorneys with Catholic Community Services are currently representing 126 unaccompanied minors. She says the lawyers typically submit their invoices to the government for reimbursement. Now, for the foreseeable future, they and attorneys like Sean Smith will be doing that work on a pro bono or free basis.
They're children that have been abandoned, neglected, abused, so they're a primary target for exploitation. So a lot of times they're leaving a horrible environment to come live with individuals, the only individuals they might know.
Smith and Maines are among a handful of Utah attorneys committed to try and give these young people the very best possible chance at finding a safe, permanent home.
We're not guaranteeing that they're going to be able to remain in the United States, but they should at least have a fair opportunity to present the reasons why they need protection here.
Sean Smith says he's sad and a little confused by the termination of this funding. He understands the immigration system needs to be improved, but in the case of these young children, not in such a drastic fashion.
Efficiency is for things and empathy is for people. And if we get those mixed up, we can have some problems.
Smith and Maines both say they will continue the work of attempting to represent these 126 unaccompanied minors currently in the state of Utah, but both say more are on the way and they're going to need help as well. They're asking for help from the public. They say if anyone out there can help donating either their time or their financial resources, a good place to start is Catholic Community Services. You can go to their website, ccsutah.org/donate. In Salt Lake City, Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.